Hello, everyone, and welcome to the latest installment in our exciting series on Canva AI for design. In this episode, we're diving into the future of video creation, thanks to Canva's groundbreaking magic design for video AI. If you thought our previous Canva AI videos were impressive, you're in for a mind-blowing experience. Get ready to wave goodbye to ordinary video editing and say hello to a world of limitless possibilities. Let's jump right in. As always, to access the world of Canva AI, make sure you're on the Canva homepage. Now, let's explore the Magic Studio button, situated at the top left of the screen, right below the Home button. This is your gateway to the future of video editing. Click on Magic Studio, scroll down, and click on Magic Design for Video. After a quick loading screen, click Try Magic Design for Video. A pop-up will load, and you need to upload a minimum of 3 media files. After the media files are uploaded, you must describe the kind of video you want to generate. For an example, you will choose yoga for increased flexibility, and after click Generate button. Now you are waiting that the video is generated. Canva AI will automatically combine all media, add text and music, click the play button, and enjoy your AI-generated video. There you have it, a comprehensive look at how to use Magic Design for Video AI in Canva. Your video editing experience will never be the same. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, subscribe to stay updated with all things Canva AI for design, and please do us a favor. Share this video with your friends and colleagues who can benefit from the magic of Canva AI. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video,